Minimal invasive surgery or laparoscopic surgery is here to stay permanently for benefit it renders to the patients. Every doctor associated with surgical specialties should know the foundations as well as advanced minimal access surgery for its own success. Foundation is most important, followed by knotting and suturing, which are two aspects of this course which are taught by this IBC, and I am extremely happy to be associated as faculty with this institute to teach laparoscopic surgery. I wish all the best to IBC to conduct these courses. I will be very happy teaching students who come here to train themselves in laparoscopic surgery. Thank you.